Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm your Smarans. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lava lamp. See, first we need a glass. See, here is the glass. And after that we need a vegetable oil. Then we need some water. And we need a color. Can you see this color? It's a blue color. And there's a fish tablet. You can find it in a medical shop. Now, let me explain. First, we need a vegetable oil. Then we need to have water and this color and the tablet. Now we will do this. First, let me pour the vegetable oil. That's done. Now let me pour some water. But some of the water. Wow, this is okay. See, and water and oil didn't mix because the density is different. Now let me keep a food color. Let me open the cap. Yeah. 4, 5. Wow! Did you see that? Wow! Let's wait for some time because to get up like this. Wow! Beautiful! Now it's getting mixed up. Now let me take a tablet. Yeah, that is done. The fish tablet is so. Oh yeah, see it's in white. Now let me do it and let me pull. Wow! Did you see that? It's coming like a wave. I love it. Wow. This is too nice experiment. I love lava lamp. See that blue lava? Wow. I love it. This lava lamp, you can try it in your home. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to give a big thumbs up. See you in the next video with more science experiment videos. Bye bye.